Pung Cholom is a vibrant and rhythmic traditional dance from Manipur, India, combining elements of music, dance, and acrobatics. Known as the dance of the drums, Pung Cholom fuses intricate rhythms with acrobatic moves, demanding agility, stamina, and rigorous training. Dancers skillfully play the pung while executing complex footwork, flips, jumps, and spins, all perfectly synchronized to the beat.
Pung Cholom, rooted in Manipuri Sankirtana, is a ritualistic dance honoring Lord Krishna and Vaishnavism. The pung, symbolizing divine masculinity, plays a central role. This vibrant art form evolved into a celebrated solo performance at festivals and cultural events in Manipur.
In Manipur, Pung Cholom is more than just a dance. It represents the Manipuri people's deep connection with their spiritual roots and their pride in preserving traditional art forms. Pung Cholom is frequently performed at major Manipuri Sankirtana rituals and festivals, symbolizing Manipuri identity at cultural events, both nationally and internationally. Pung Cholom has gained international fame for its unique fusion of rhythm, dance, and acrobatics. Performances have been showcased globally, captivating audiences and promoting Manipuri culture. The performance often begins with a slow, meditative rhythm to invoke the presence of the divine and establish the mood. As the tempo builds, the dancers transition into fast-paced movements involving jumps, spins, and intricate footwork. The dance reaches its peak with acrobatic maneuvers, maintaining perfect rhythm on the pung while showcasing athletic grace. The performance then gradually slows, bringing it back to the meditative mood. Dancers wear traditional Manipuri attire, often in white, which represents purity. The costume includes a dhoti, turban, and a kurta, enhancing the spiritual and cultural essence of the performance. Each drummer must master techniques for producing varied sounds and rhythms. The dancers use complex rhythmic patterns, blending high-pitched beats with softer undertones, adding depth to the performance. Pung Cholom requires physical endurance, as the dance is both a mental and physical exercise. Dancers train rigorously, mastering breath control to coordinate movements and maintain rhythm. The performance is also deeply spiritual, often considered a form of devotion. Pung Cholom is physically demanding. Dancers train to develop core strength, flexibility, and endurance to handle the rigorous acrobatics and sustained drumming simultaneously. The performance requires exceptional breath control to maintain stamina and composure during high-energy sequences. Develop intense focus to stay in rhythm. Pung Cholom showcases Manipur's rich cultural and spiritual heritage, blending rhythm, devotion, and athleticism. This captivating art form honors the tradition of Manipur's unique cultural identity on a global stage.